Good day, everyone. This is Miss Noraini from Jili Campus, and today we're going to look at one of the skills that is important also in your writing, which is on writing an introductory paragraph. Okay, so let's have a look at the slides. Okay, the first paragraph of an essay is what we call the introductory paragraph. Okay, in this paragraph, it contains the thesis statement and the general information of the essay itself. Okay, in the introduction paragraph, it can also include a hook. A hook is what we call an opening sentence, where the main intention of a hook is to grab the attention of the reader, of the reader interest to read the essay. Okay, so as you can see here, a hook can be in a form of a sentence that has surprising facts. It can be in a form of the surprising facts, and it can also be in a form of an interesting question, and also can be in a form of an imaginary situation that relates to the topic of the essay. Okay, let's have a look at example of a hook. Okay, example of a hook that uses imaginary situation is for example, like in this sentence. Okay, this is from an article titled "Living on an Urban Planet." So in the first paragraph of the article, it states this sentence: consider this. Okay, from this word, consider this, we already can tell it is a made-up situation, imaginary situation. Okay, the introduction starts with consider this. In the 18th, less than 3% of the world's population lived in cities. But by 2050, this could increase to over 66%. The trend is clear and the conclusion inescapable. Humans have become an urban species. Okay, from this sentence, we can tell in order to grab the reader's attention, the writer is using some imaginary situation. Okay, what if? How do we know it is an imaginary situation? Because the writer states by 2050, which is in the future. Alright, so in order to grab your reader's attention, you can use this example later on how you're going to grab your reader's attention. Okay, let's have a look at the idea behind a thesis statement. Alright, a thesis statement is usually the last sentence in the introductory paragraph. Okay, in thesis statement, usually that's where the writer expresses the main idea of an entire essay. Okay, here's an example of a thesis statement for a problem solution essay. Okay, with more convenient public transportation and pedestrian-only streets, Putrajaya is now an environmentally friendly and healthy place for its residents. So a thesis statement usually plays at the end of the at the end sentence of the introduction paragraph. So from this thesis statement, we can tell straight away that the essay is going to be highlighting on how Putrajaya is becoming an environmentally friendly and healthy place by improving their public transportation and pedestrian streets. Okay, and then a good thesis statement. What makes a good thesis statement is when it gives out the writer's position about a certain topics and it states the main points of the essay, what the essay is going to be about. Okay, please, class, when writing the introduction of your essay, please bear in mind that in an introduction, you should avoid using the pronoun I, unless you are writing a personal or a diary entry of kind of writing. Okay, for English 3, we will be doing academic essay, so you should avoid using pronoun like I. Okay, and here example, you should avoid writing something that sounds like I am going to write about. So because it kind of sounds like a journal entry. All right. Yeah, that's a bit. That's all for writing introduction. It's a bit brief. Okay, as a recap, all you need to do is there's 2 ideas behind writing an introduction. There's a concept of a hook where you need to know how to grab your reader's attention, and also there's an idea of a thesis statement where in the thesis statement you will write the main ideas of what your whole essay is going to be about. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you.